The sign of approval. Sprinkles!
Sprinkles, stars. Oh no, Mommy. Oh no.
Lily.
Lily, you get crazy all the time. Kiss your mouth.
Kiss your mouth?
That's mine, Daddy. Ouch, Mommy, ouch.
What's the matter?
Hey, Bumpy, Sammy. It's on tail. It's on tail.
Lily. When Sammy cries, oh.
Daddy found a bigger stick. Look, see? Okay, you ready?
Ready? I'll go. Go. And Mama stick, Daddy. Mama stick. Daddy, go. Go. Mwah. Mama stick.
Lily. You okay? Stop, Lily, stop.
Smile, Daddy. Smile. Let's smile.
This is our Christmas tree this year.
It's raining. A puppet.
Good thing if he falls on top of Bubble.
Where
are we? Where are we, Lily? I see the airplane. Where are we right now? Are we in our new house? Do you want to go inside the new house?
Should we go inside?
Hold on, I'll hold it.
Okay, put it in. There you go. Lily's in.
Here we go.
Let's go, Daddy.
Okay, I'm careful. Come on, up the stairs.
Up you go.
Up we go. Up we go. Up we go. Up we go.
Oh, our new house.
Is this our new house?
Here it goes. Nothing's
Okay, come on now. Lily's room?
Is this Lily's room? Wow. Wow. It's yours. It's your room. Wow.
Is that what we were talking about? Lily, stop. Don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, ouch is right. Be careful, please. Are you ready? Let's go.
It's raining outside.
Snowing.
Is it cold?
Stick.
Sound crunchy under your feet. Uh-huh.
everything?
Where's Crisco? Where's Crisco, Daddy?
I don't know. Do you think it's at our new house, maybe?
Baby. Sam. Come inside. Sam. I come inside. I come inside this stuff.
Where's the tickle bed? Where was the tickle bed before?
I passed go, Daddy. Go find the tickle bed. I'll find this. Hey, Ben.
I see you're spinning. This is probably a dangerous place to be spinning.
Daddy, I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. Thank you. Ta-da! Let's go make some cookies.
Yay!
Can I have them right here?
I hope it's big, Mommy.
No, these are very breakable. Here.
I'm making soup, Daddy. I'm
What?
making soup.
You making soup?
Oh, we lost it.
What did he lose, sweetie?
I was snowman.
A snowman, I know.
The kid lost a snowman.
Yes. I found a snowman.
You want to find him?
Yeah. A snowman. Lost a kid.
The kid lost the snowman?
Yes. I lost a kid.
It's okay.
I lost a kid, Mommy. Lost a kid.
Should we go downstairs?
Yes. Be nice, baby. Uh-oh. I turned it off.
What?
I turned it off the trucks.
The trucks are off right now, yeah. It's true. Come on, let's go downstairs and see if Santa came.
Help me, Daddy. Help me.
You want me to carry you?
Okay.
Where did these presents come from?
Should we open some of them?
Whoa, Lily! Look up there! What's that? No, no, over here! What's that? What is that? Is that a balloon? A snowman balloon? We should check it out.
Yeah, toy.
Riley, look! Can you give it to Riley?
No. I thought.
No. Can you
Lily, no, that's for dogs.
Riley? Can you? Why don't you like the wrappers? Do you want to open the rest of your presents? No? You're opening your crayons. Every single one of the 24.
Got you, Reese. Got you, Reese. Cow. Timmy and the cow. Timmy and the cow.
Don't hit Sam with the cat.
Oh.
Timmy and the cow.
Ian, Lily, you're gonna fall over. Ian, Ian.
I love it, Sucky. Named Sucky. Daddy is named Sucky. The White House.
Can you say, I miss you?